Today marks day 26 of our 30 Days to Better Hearing journey, and today I want to shift our focus outward slightly to the people who play a vital role in our lives, our loved ones. Educating family and friends about hearing loss and how they can support us is crucial. It's not just about adjusting the volume of the TV or speaking louder, it's about fostering understanding and empathy, ensuring our social environments are as inclusive as possible. Hearing loss is often invisible, which can lead to misunderstandings. It's essential to communicate openly with your loved ones about what hearing loss entails and how it affects you. Share your experiences, including the challenges you face and the efforts that you're making to overcome them. This openness can transform their perception and approach towards your hearing loss. Firstly, explain the basics of hearing loss and how hearing aids help. It's a common misconception that hearing aids fix hearing in the same way glasses correct vision. Clarify that whilst hearing aids significantly improve hearing, they don't restore it to normal. This understanding is key to managing expectations during conversations. Encourage your family to learn how to communicate effectively with someone who has hearing loss. Simple strategies can make a big difference, such as facing you and speaking, avoiding covering their mouths, speaking clearly, not necessarily louder, and reducing background noise. Another valuable tip is to suggest communication-friendly settings for family gatherings or outings. Places with less noise and better lighting can make following conversations easier for you. Additionally, consider introducing them to assistive listening devices or apps that you use. Showing them how these can work, provide insight into your world and the technology that supports you. Lastly, invite them to appointments or sessions with your audiologist if you're comfortable to do so. It can be an eye-opening experience for them to hear from a professional about your hearing loss, how hearing aids work, and how they can support you. Remember, the goal is to build a support system that understands not just the technical aspects of hearing loss and hearing aids, but the personal journey that you're on. It's about creating a circle of empathy, patience, and awareness that enriches your interactions and ensures everyone feels connected and understood. As we near the end of our program, I hope this day empowers you to open up more meaningful conversations with your loved ones about your hearing journey. Sharing your story not only educates them, but also strengthens your bonds, making every communication more rewarding.